Question number 3 is prove that following are irrationals. First part is 1 by root 2. Suppose 1 by root 2 is a rational number where A and B are co-primes and B is not equals to 0. Rearrange these values. Can we write it as B is equals to root 2A? Also B by A is equals to root 2. Here make it first equation. From first we observe that B by A is a rational. So root 2 is rational. But root 2 is irrational. So here is contradiction. B by A is rational, therefore root 2 is also rational, and rational number cannot be equal to irrational number because root 2 is irrational. So this contradicts our assumption that 1 by root 2 is rational. Hence, we conclude 1 by root 2 is irrational. Second part, 7 root 5. Prove 7 root 5 is irrational. Suppose 7 root 5 is a rational number. A and B are co-prime numbers and B is not equals to 0. Rearrange this value. What we get? Root 5 is equals to A by 7B. From this equation, what we observed? A by 7B is a rational number. So, root 5 is also a rational number. But rational number cannot be equal to irrational. Also, root 5 is irrational. Therefore, this contradicts our assumption. Therefore, this contradicts our incorrect assumption that 7 root 5 is rational. Hence, 7 root 5 is irrational number. Question number 3, part 3. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Initially, we assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is equals to A by B, where A and B are co-prime numbers and B is not equals to 0. Rearrange these values. What we get? Root 2 is equals to A by B minus of 6, and take the LCM of this right hand side part. What we get? Root 2 is equals to A minus 6B upon B. and make it equation 1. So from 1, what we observed, from 1, we observed that a minus 6b upon b is a rational. So root 2 is also a rational, but root 2 is irrational number. Also, irrational number cannot be equal to rational number. Therefore, this contradicts our incorrect assumption. That 6 plus root 2 is rational. Hence, we conclude 6 plus root 2 is irrational.